Hello everyone. Today we are discussing about very important topic, that is functional group isomerism. Functional group isomerism. In previous sessions already discussed about chain isomerism and positional isomerism. Now the topic is functional group isomerism. Very important. This is only for organic chemistry structures only. Okay. What is functional group isomerism? Same molecular formula but different functional groups. So molecular formula is same, but that compound having different functional groups. That's why this is called functional group isomerism. Functional group isomerism. For example, C2H6O. The first structure is CH3, CH2, CH2, OH. 1, 2, 3 carbons, C2, H6O. Okay. Okay, I will write C2H6O. OH. CH3, CH2, OH. 1, 2 carbons, 3 plus 2, 5, and one more hydrogen is here, 6 hydrogens and 1 oxygen. Okay. Same molecular formula, but I write CH3. This is alcohol group, that's why I already given alcohol and ether. This is alcohol group, this is ether group. This is alcohol group, this is ether group, this is ether group. So here same molecular formula but different functional groups are present. In this structure OH is present, in this structure ether is present. For example, C3H8OH. Okay, CH3, CH2, CH2, OH. Here also first structure having one alcohol group. Same wise I write this is CH2, CH3. So 1, 2, 3 carbons, 3 plus 2, 5 plus 3, 8 hydrogens and 1 oxygen. This is alcohol group, this is ether group. That's why I put a heading alcohol and ethers. Next, aldehydes and ketones. For example, CH3, CH2, C double bond O, H. 1, 2, 3 carbons, 3 plus 2, 5 plus 1, 6 hydrogens and 1 oxygen. So same molecular formula but different C double bond O, CH3. 1, 2, 3 carbons, 3 plus 3, 6 hydrogens and 1 oxygen. So this is aldehyde group, this is aldehyde group, this is keto group, this is keto group. Right. Next one is acid and ester. Acid and ester. C2H4 O2. H bond C, double bond O, OH. 1. Right. CH3, C double bond O, OH. 1, 2, 2 hydrogens, 3 plus 1, 4, sorry, 1, 2, 2 carbons, 3 plus 1, 4 hydrogens and 2 oxygens. Same structure, I write this way, C double bond O, O, CH3. This is acid group, acetic acid. This is ester group. This is acid group. 1 2 carbons, 1 2 oxygens, and 1 plus 3 4 hydrogens. This is ester group, right? Next one is C3H6O2. either C3H6O2. In this way, CH3, CH2, C double bond O, OH. Okay, acid, different functional groups. Here acid group is functional group, here ester group is functional group. Here acid group is functional group and ester group is next structure CH3, C double bond O, CH3. Here same, acid group is functional, here ester group is functional group. So different functional group, same molecular formula but different functional group. We will discuss more examples, right? Next one is C2H3N. Sixth one is C2H3N. CH3CN, C triple bond N, cyano group, CH3. Next one is CH3NC, cyanide nitrile, methyl cyanide, methyl nitrile, methyl nitrile, methyl cyanide. These are the functional groups. Cyano group, nitrile group, cyano group, nitrile group. Next one is alcohol and thioether. Alcohol and thioether, alcohol and thioether, C2H5SH, C2H5SH, CH3 no, C2H5SH, CH3 CH3 and C2H5SH. So here the molecular formula is 1 2 C3H6S, C3H6S. This one is first structure, this one is second structure. Next C3H9N or 7-1, C3H9N, the first compound is CH3 CH2 NH2. Next second one is CH3 NH CH2 CH3, 3 4 6 plus 3 9 plus 1 nitrogen, 1 2 3 carbons. Next CH3 N CH3. This is, see here, this is primary amine and this nitrogen attached to 1 and 2 secondary amine. This is tertiary amine. Okay, right. Here same functional group present. This is one NH2 primary, secondary and tertiary. Okay, C3H9 N. Functional group position is different. Here NH2 group, here NH group, here only nitrogen group. Okay, next one is, eighth one is C3H6. C3H6. So CH2 double bond C, CH3. 1, 2, 3. 3 carbons and 2 CH3, 6 hydrogens. Okay, same structure, right? This one. Okay, CH2, 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 CH2. Alright. Next one is, see here, eighth one, and ninth one is C3H4. C3H4. The first structure is C3, 1 triple bond, CH3, C 3 plus 1, 4 is satisfied, CH3. This is alkyne, 1 alkyne. Second one is CH2 double bond C double bond CH2. 1, 2, 3 carbons, 2 plus 2, 4 hydrogens, and third one is cyclic compound double bond. So here in first structure triple bond is present, in second structure double bond 2 times present. Here this is a cyclic compound having double bond. Okay, cyclic compound having double bond. And one more example, 10th example, glucose and fructose. Glucose and fructose, very important. Here CHOH taken 4 times, CH2OH and CH2OH taken thrice, CH2OH, right. C double bond O, CH2OH. Here same molecular formula, glucose and fructose, and the difference is here aldehyde group is present, here keto group is present. Here aldehyde group is present 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 4, 5, 6, right. Here aldehyde group present, here keto group is present. Okay, these are the functional group examples. We discussed a lot of examples, 1 to 10 examples. Alcohols, ethers, aldehydes, ketones, acid, ester, alcohol, thioether, and alkenes, alkynes, and cyclic structures, glucose and fructose. These all are example for functional group isomerism. Right? Read carefully, practice carefully, and next class we will discuss about metamerism. That is very important topic, metamerism. Okay, thank you students, see you again.